Hello, everyone. Welcome to another lesson of art therapy with Dr. Shivani Khitan. I hope you enjoyed making your tree of lesson 5, gratitude, and today's lesson 6 of gratitude series. So, even I have posted my tree, so I would love to hear your comments. How do you find my tree? And I've also tried to put the voice that tree had saying I'm very healthy. So I hope you enjoyed your series of trees. So please do share with me. So today task is, before you start the task, आपको drill मालूम है, you have to put one gratitude in your gratitude jar, that what are you grateful for and what gratitude you feel for the life today. So every day we are putting one. You're more than welcome to more to put if you feel like putting more than one. So today task for art therapy is uh, make your uh, life map. So see what are the things that you're looking forward in your life that you want, and you want to put them on the paper and you feel gratitude about that you are putting this energy healing for future, how you see your life to be. So listen to the music I'm sending you today. The music is all about Ho'oponopo prayer. I feel this music is very healing. So it is going to work as a healing for your future and your manifestations. And even if you feel, whenever you feel that you're not connected with yourself and you feel I'm drawn towards my past, पुरानी बातें आ रही हैं, पुराने thoughts आते हैं, तो अगर आप ये होपोनोपो प्रेयर का जो म्यूज़िक है ये भी अगर आपने कहीं फ़ोन पे लगा के छोड़ देंगे, एंड यू विल फील दैट it will give you healing. It will also send healing to the someone who at that time you couldn't say sorry, or you couldn't say I love you, or you couldn't acknowledge your feelings at that time. So I hope you enjoy this lesson of today of making your own life map today, and see what all manifestations, affirmations are coming to you, and do put them there, because it is going to be your map. And I hope jitna bhi aap art bana rahe hain, whatever art you're doing, you're putting your work somewhere where you can visit it and you can use it, and you can use it to give power to you. So more power to your work. And before you finish um, the task, you will all sit together, and what you have to do is identify one beautiful thing in your room that you are in, and see how it is making you feel. And then when you all sit together and you can all talk about it, how what thing in the room that you find very attractive, and how do you feel about it, and see what others are seeing from the same room, so it gives you an acknowledgement to understand how others are thinking about things. So I hope you enjoy that. Like, if I have to pick one thing, especially every day or every second day I'm doing my videos from this place, I love the shade that I received from this tree. It's a very old tree. It's been with us for some time now, and I feel so grounded when I'm at this place, and so many ideas come to me. I mean, when I came here at today, I was just thinking what lesson I should do today after doing the tree lesson that we did yesterday. But now, when I sat here and I was sitting here for 5 minutes, I was feeling so grounded that the next step internally came, as if it was telling me, so where do you want to go? How do you see yourself? So sometimes, when we don't have answers or we don't know where we are going, the best thing you can do is just go to your favorite spot and just close your eyes and sit for 5 minutes and just listen to the thoughts that are coming to you. Listen to your breath, and you will see amazing um, things, because you can lie to anyone in the world, but you cannot lie to yourself. We know inside how we feel, we know inside how someone made us feel, and if someone made us feel bad also, we know that. So you don't have to keep that in your heart. If you know yourself, what you are, anyone might say anything. That's not important. What is important is how I see myself. So if someone is saying something, I'm not going to take it. I'm just going to shrug it off like, yeah, sure, you can think about it. But the moment you feel that something of the thoughts like, no, how dare you say that? Why did you say that? How could you say that to me? If those kind of things are coming to you, then probably it's time that you realize your worth and you release those thoughts from your system and understand what you are. So you have to understand, what are you feeling? How is your self-esteem? Someone growing your self-esteem, someone decreasing your self-esteem. So you have to understand where you have to draw a line to yourself and to others coming into your life. So I hope you have a great lesson. This was just an insight I just shared with you. I'm enjoying my time sitting here under my tree, and looking forward to see you again. And you have a great day. Stay home, stay safe. It's weekend, so enjoy with your family. Lots of music, lots of movies for you, and lots of board games for you. So have a great weekend. Namaskar.